Let's learn about plant parts, written and doodled by Dana. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing that grows in the ground. It needs sun, water, and air to live. Plant parts. A plant has 5 main parts. They are flower, leaves, stem, roots, fruit. Flower, the pretty part. The flower is colorful and smells nice, and it helps the plant make seeds. What is pollination? Pollination is how plants make seeds to grow into new plants. It happens when pollen moves from one flower to another. Insects like bees and butterflies. Birds and wind helps the plant in this process. Leaves, the food factory. Leaves take sunlight and make food for the plant. This is called photosynthesis. Stem, the plant's elevator. The stem holds the plant up and it carries water and food between the roots and leaves. Just like in the picture, the stem is like an elevator inside the plant. It carries water from the roots, like a droplet does, and moves food made by the leaves, just like a Thechev's tasty fruit basket, to other parts of the plant. Without the stem, the plant wouldn't get its drinks or snacks. So next time you see a plant, remember that deep inside, there's a little team hard at work, keeping everything growing and glowing. Roots, the underground helper. Roots hold the plant in the ground, and they soak up water and nutrients from the soil. Fruit, the seed keeper. The fruit protects the seeds. Some fruits are yummy to eat too. Let's review. Flower makes seeds, leaves make food, stem carries food and water. Roots absorbs water and nutrients from the soil, anchoring the plant in the ground. Fruit protects seeds. Joke time!
What day of the week do flowers look forward to? It is Sunday. What plants do chickens grow on? It is eggplants.
It is time for some quiz. Are you ready, friends? Let's go! Rules for the quiz. 1. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. 2. Each will have 4 choices. 3. You will have 5 seconds to think and answer. 4. Answer will be revealed after 5 seconds time lapse. 1. Which part of the plant is responsible for making food? Is it roots, stem, leaves, or flowers? The answer is leaves. Leaves are responsible for making food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. They use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide to produce food. 2. What part of the plant absorbs water and nutrients from the soil? Is it stem, roots, leaves, or flowers? The answer is roots. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and anchor the plant in place. Three. Which part of the plant helps it stand upright and transports water and nutrients? Is it stem, roots, leaves, or seeds? The answer is stem. The stem supports the plant and transports water and nutrients from the roots to other parts of the plant. 4. What part of the plant produces seeds? Is it stem, roots, leaves, or flower? The answer is flowers. Flowers are the reproductive part of the plant and are responsible for producing seeds. Five. What part of the plant grows into a new plant? Is it stem, roots, leaves, or seed? The answer is seeds. Seeds contain the embryo of a new plant, and it can grow into a new plant under the right conditions. Great job, plant experts! You did amazing. Now go outside and find some real plants.
Every plant part plays its part. Roots sip, stems lift, leaves catch the sun's gift. Thanks for growing with us. See you next time, little botanists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Discover more fun learning on our channel.